Hello friends, welcome to Poongudi's channel. Yesterday we learned to transfer a design to a cloth using carbon paper. Today let us see how to transfer a design to a cloth without carbon paper, that too numerous times in a saree or bed sheet or any other dress material very easily. This method will be very useful if you wish to put an overall design throughout your fabric. If you draw a design many times using your pencil, it will consume a lot of time. So if you follow this method, it will be very easy for you to transfer design like a print, that too within few minutes. Now let us see, this is the design which I wish to transfer to a cloth. Now this design is in a tracing paper. At first we should make holes on this design using any sharp instrument like a needle or pin. I am placing it above a frame in order to get a grip. If you wish, you can use it, or else you can directly put holes on the tracing paper with the needle like this above the lines. We also get designs with holes in the market. If you get that, you can use it. But if you need a specific design, you can draw like this and make holes in your own design. Please note, this should be done only on a tracing paper and not on ordinary papers. Like this, I will put the holes throughout the design, though it will take time for the first time to put holes. Later it will be very easy to put the design. See, I have finished the holes in the pattern. You just turn the back side and tap using any flat instrument like a scale like this, so that the holes will be open, so that the flow will be easy. You will get some bits of tracing paper like this. Now we will prepare a tracing powder. I am using newspaper and a matchbox. You just burn the newspaper so that you will get black color ashes. Actually, tracing paper will be available in stationeries. You can use this method if you do not get tracing powders. In few shops you can't get this tracing powder. At that time you can follow this method. After burning it, you just filter the ashes so that the powder will be clear and unburnt paper will stay in this filter. Now our tracing powder is ready. We shall start. This is the cloth in which I am going to transfer the design. Place the tracing above this cloth with holes. Then you take the tracing powder, black color for white cloth, and kerosene. Then take a bit of cloth, dip it in kerosene at first, and then touch this tracing powder and tap above the design using this. completely throughout the design. You should tap once or twice so that it flows through the holes. See, now I am taking the tracing paper and you have got the design in the cloth. In few minutes this kerosene will disappear and you can use this design for your painting or embroidering. Now let us see how to put a design on a dark cloth. I am using chalk powder. This is white chalk powder. I have powdered the chalk piece and then filtered it to get this. Actually, white tracing powder is also available in stationeries. If you do not get that, you can prepare like this with the chalk powder, just powdering it and filtering it. Now I'll put the design on this green color fabric. You place the tracing sheet with holes and then again take a bit of cloth, dip it on kerosene and then chalk powder. Touch this chalk powder and tap above the design with holes. Completely cover the design. And now we shall remove the trace. Actually, chalk powder will not be visible at once. After 5 minutes, when the kerosene disappears, you can see the design clearly like this. Not only once, you can put numerous times using this method of transferring to make an overall design. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, share with your friends and people who are interested in it. This method can be used for both painting as well as embroidery. If you have missed my previous videos, go to the links given in the description. To view more such videos, like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you for watching.